You're gonna take this into the glass and you're gonna push it into the felt over here. So this is another Ray Russell built Jeep. You can see the design to the original roll cage. You can also see how simple these things were when they raced back in the day. I mean, you got a couple of gauges, you got a shifter, and that's it. And that's what takes you to race 1,000 miles in Baja or the Mint 400 or whatever. I mean, these guys that raced these things back in the day were badasses. Anyway, so this is the Doyce Henderson Jeep. This is it right here. So, like I said, you can still see parts on the other side of the original paint job. Somebody painted it black at some point in its life, but this is the basics of how the Jeep started. 33-inch tires. It's got offset wheels. Again, this 44 Wagoneer front. This one has a 9-inch rear, which that one had originally. This Jeep's kind of cool because the aluminum wheels, actually, a couple of them are stamped with the racer's name. So Don Adams' name is in one of the wheels, Doyce Henderson is in one of the wheels, and one of the wheels also says Ray Russell. So that's neat. I mean, this Jeep is really cool and unmolested, which is hard to find. Previous owner made some changes to the roll cage, but when I bought the Jeep, I put the roll cage back to where it should be, mounted the spare tire in the back, and then I was actually in the process of disassembling this Jeep to restore it and race it when I was offered the opportunity to buy the other Jeep. So sorry Jeep, but my focus is on this one now. So this one got tucked away into the corner of the garage, and I'm using it for reference for doing some of the stuff for that, like Ray's own design on his brush guard. It's nice I have a template, so I can mimic that brush guard exactly. When I put the brush guard back on that one, I have a new one made. So it's kind of cool. I mean, you can see pictures here, and there'll be others. So, here's the Jeep behind me, not this one. And this will be the paint scheme that I'm using for the restoration. I think, as well as Brad Russell thinks, that that's the most known paint job. But there's also the opportunity, like I said, the Jeep was originally white. So it's had such a cool history. And you can see the wheels, the roll cage, the brush guard. I mean, that's basically this exact Jeep. Other than that, Jeep kept racing and got modified through the years. And it was also used in multiple advertisements. Here's a rough country advertisement, and there's the Jeep. It's just such a neat, famous Jeep, and there's magazines and articles and all kinds of stuff dedicated to these Jeeps. And I'm super happy to have been given the opportunity to restore this Jeep and race it. And I can't say a big enough thanks to Warren and a big enough thanks to Brad and his family. I mean, the Russells, I'm glad you're supporting me. I can't say enough. And we'll make this a genuine showpiece. Probably won't be raced, but will be restored back to what it looked like new, and almost be like a show car kind of restoration that can be tooled around.
Roll B, scene B2, take one. Mark.
Action!